So there's this YouTube channel I stumbled upon. They don't show their face, but they've made crazy thousands of dollars from their documentary videos. And get this, they've only been doing it for about a year. Their videos get millions of views, so it seems like this topic still has a ton of potential. Plus, they've racked up over 1 million views overall. That's pretty impressive, right? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it. Yep, from start to finish. We're talking about writing scripts, doing voiceovers, and hey, I'm not just saying it, I'm gonna prove it. Check out this video that I am gonna create in front of you.
The origins of the British Empire can be traced back to the late 16th century during the Age of Exploration. Under Queen Elizabeth I, England began to establish overseas colonies and trade routes. The defeat of the Spanish Armada in 1588 marked the beginning of England's naval dominance. Key figures such as Sir Walter Raleigh and Sir Francis Drake spearheaded early colonial ventures, with the establishment of colonies in the Americas, including the ill-fated Roanoke colony and the successful settlement at Jamestown in 1607.
Alright, so today we're going to make a new YouTube channel with short videos, around 8 to 20 minutes each. I'm going to show you a trick. Instead of guessing what topic to pick, we're going to copy a successful video from another channel. So I found a video with good views in a few months, and it's getting about good views per hour. It's popular and in demand. This makes it a great choice to kick off our new channel. First, I'm going to copy the video. Here's where our first aid tool called Chat GPT comes into play. I already have an account, but it's easy to get started. Just enter your Gmail. Okay, back to our video idea. The original video we're copying is about this topic. Once logged in, we give a prompt of video ideas and GPT ideas. For our first video, we'll stick with a popular topic since it seems engaging and should attract lots of views. So let's copy the topic and start creating the script for our video using Chat GPT. It's very easy and simple. You just need to give prompts and then boom, your script is ready. The next step is voiceover. I want to share how I use 11 Labs to create voiceovers for my YouTube videos. It's pretty simple if you follow these steps. First, make a Google Doc and write your script in it. When using 11 Labs, keep your script sections to about 500 characters. This helps make the voiceover sound more natural and less robotic. Trust me, it works. A lot of people ask me how to get AI voiceovers for monetized content, and 11 Labs is the way to go. I use the creator plan, which is enough for my AI character videos, and you can start for just $1. Next, you'll need to pick a voice. 11 Labs has lots of voices, so take your time listening to them. You can set filters to narrow down your choices. Look at how many times a voice has been used, too. A popular voice is often a good choice because it's been tested by many users. Once you've picked a voice, start copying your script in small chunks, usually 2 paragraphs at a time. Go to speech synthesis, paste your script, and select your chosen voice then. Hit generate to create your voiceover. Listen to the generated voiceover. If it sounds too boring, you can tweak the settings. Try lowering the similarity setting to around 50 and turning off the speaker boost. This should make the voiceover more engaging for your viewers. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll get a great AI voiceover for your videos. So here's how you can create cool visuals using Leonardo. You're going to need these 2 tools. Leonardo has a free plan that gives you 150 tokens a day, which is enough for a short YouTube video, but not a full documentary. If you want to make longer videos, you'll need to pay for a better plan, but you can try it for free first to see if you like it. Now, let's get into the process. First, you need to write a prompt for Chat. Here's an example. Please generate prompts for images for my script according to every line and paragraph, and then paste your script. Next, copy and paste your script into Chat GPT 1 paragraph at a time. Chat GPT will give you 3 prompts for each paragraph. Once you have all your prompts, head over to Leonardo. Go to the image generation section on the left. Choose your model. I like photoreal. And select the settings for the best quality, 16:9 aspect ratio now. Start generating your images by copying the prompts into Leonardo. Generating the images might take a bit of time, about 10-15 minutes if you're familiar with the process. If it's your first time, it could take around 30 minutes. After generating the images, you'll have enough content for your video. Now import all the images into CapCut, making sure they're in the right order. You can start editing by aligning the images with your audio and adding effects, captions, and background music. Finally, export the video, create a thumbnail, and use tools like TubeBuddy to optimize your title, description, and keywords for SEO. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have a professional-looking video ready to upload to YouTube. The next step is editing effects and visuals in CapCut. This is just a simple tutorial, so nothing too fancy. The video is only 4 minutes long, and I'm just playing around to see how it turns out. In future videos, we'll check the stats and adjust based on that. For now, let's keep it simple with some basic effects that anyone can use. First, we need to click on the trail and turn on the main track magnet. Then, extend it to cover the whole video. It might be too long, so shorten it a bit if needed. Next, we need to make sure everything is in the right order. It's important to keep things chronological so it doesn't get confusing. For example, it would be weird if the narrator talks about pyramids, but we show a busy street market instead. Let's organize everything properly. Now let's add some pictures that match the audio. This helps keep the viewer's attention. I'm copying and pasting some pictures to the beginning of the video to make it more engaging. Hold down the Control key, select the pictures, press Control C to copy, and Control V to paste. I'm also locking the tracks temporarily so they don't get messed up while editing. Next, let's choose a filter. I'm using a filter I like. If you have the free version, you can use the clear filter, which is also pretty cool. Select it and apply it to the video. For the animation, I'm using a bunch of combo animations. I won't use transitions at the start because there's already a lot of movement. It's important not to overload the video with too much motion. YouTube doesn't like static pictures, so adding some movement is necessary to keep the video engaging and monetizable. Now, let's add some effects. In the beginning, I want a single effect on the atmosphere. I'm using this effect and setting its intensity to this level. I want the intensity to decrease throughout the video, so I'm using keyframes to adjust it. This way, the effect becomes less intense as the video goes on. Finally, I need to add some music. You can find music in YouTube's audio library or other sources. Music adds an extra layer of engagement to the video. That's it for this tutorial. Keep it simple and play around with the effects. The next step is creating a thumbnail in Canva. First, head over to Canva. You can use other tools like Photopea, but I'm sticking with Canva for this tutorial. Click on Create a Design and choose YouTube Thumbnail. Next, we need to pick a picture. It's a tough choice, but let's go with one that has people in it. I think this one looks good. I can already imagine where the text will go. Now let's edit the photo a bit. Go to the Adjust settings. Increase the vignettes and brightness slightly. Just play around with these settings until it looks good. I like to bump up the saturation too. This gives the picture a nice touch. Time to add some text. Look at how others do it. Simple white text works well. Let's copy that style. Type entire human history and make sure it fits in one line. Adjust the text box size and make the text smaller if needed. Position it on the thumbnail and make the text bold. For a cool effect, let's add a shadow to the text. Make the shadow black and adjust its size to match the text box. You can also round the edges a bit, lower the shadow's transparency to make it look neat. Don't worry if it's not perfect. People won't notice small detail. Download your finished thumbnail. With the thumbnail ready, we need to work on the captions. Open CapCut, choose a caption template you like, and position it in the center of the video. Adjust the shadow and background for better visibility. Go through each caption to make sure they're aligned nicely. It's okay if it's not perfect. And that's it. Our first video is ready to go. This is just the beginning and we'll get better with each video we upload. Check out my other video. I hope you can learn more about how to work on a faceless channel after watching my videos.